If you love do-it-yourself home improvement projects, or you want to advance your craft, a reliable and quality Orbital sander is a smart investment. It'll make your project look great just like a real pro. So if you're excited about purchasing one for yourself but are a bit intimidated with all the choices and those claiming to be the best in the industry, let us help you get through your selection ordeal. We have a list of the 5 best Orbital sanders, all of which have premium components. So if you're ready to check out our list of the best Orbital sanders, let's get started. At number 1 is the DeWalt DCW 210B 20V Max Brushless Orbital Sander. This trusted random tool easily gets the job done, thanks to the reliable 5-inch disc and variable speed dial that help you find the right application for any kind of home project. The powerful brushless motor works powerfully, providing 8,000 to 12,000 OPMs or orbits per minute in a longer runtime. The latest model from DeWalt is regarded by the industry as one of a few cordless quality orbital sanders in the market. It has a textured rubber grip for a more comfortable sanding experience. It features low profile height, allowing you to have precise sanding by working closer to the material surface. The switch is dust sealed to ensure long life and protection against dust ingestion. For convenient, quick paper changing, it comes with a replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad. There's also a ready dust port for the single-handed dust bag for debris. Use the DWV 900 universal quick connector when fastening the port to a 1¼ inch size nozzle of a shop vac or other vacuum system. You can also opt for the DWV012 or DWV010 dust collector, which are sold separately. This 1.6 pound 8x6x6 orbital sander comes in black and bright yellow, giving it a stylish look. Each product is covered with a 90-day money-back guarantee and 3-year limited warranty. At number 2 is DeWalt's 3-amp 5-inch corded random orbital sander. It's designed to fit in the palm of your hand. Compact by its 10.37 by 6.2 by 7¼ inch size. But despite the small body construction, this powerful tool can run between the range of 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. The separate counterweight design lessens the vibration, a common issue with other brands, thus improving comfort while in action. It has a variable speed ROS that allows you to select the perfect speed for the sanding pad to smoothen wood, plastic, or other work surfaces. To aid in dust collection, you have the option to connect its dedicated port directly to a DWV012 or DWV010 dust collector, or attach a one-hand locking bag. The rubber over mold in the critical area is protected from potential damage, while the upgraded dust-sealed switch prolongs its life by keeping against the dust ingestion. The shorter design results in a more precise and efficient sanding option because of being closer to the work surface. It also features a reliable hook and loop paper retention and convenient way to replace sandpaper. But the reason why it's considered a top-rated product is the 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, a free service for 1 year, and a 90-day full money-back guarantee. DeWalt will replace or repair the damaged components, including those that are damaged due to normal use, within the free service period. It's such an outstanding deal for such a premium product. Are you seeing how one of these products can make your carpentry jobs easier? Then you're in for a few more surprises as we get to know the remaining products on our list. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to give you notifications when we upload our newest videos. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the M18 cordless 5-inch random orbital sander. It's capable of providing 7,000 to 12,000 OPMs in performance. The variable speed control is within easy reach, helping you to adjust the sanding disc and turning it on or off with convenience. Another factor that contributes to its high demand is the capability to keep the vibration to a minimum, preventing hand cramping. The ergonomic vertical design of this handy tool does make it a bit hefty, resulting in just over 2.5 pounds in weight. The added weight, though, is favorable for projects that require horizontal sanding because it facilitates the task easily. With a dust box and 5-amp battery, the entire sander weighs about 4.3 pounds. The heavy-duty premium motor offers excellent ability to scrape more material per charge of the battery, making you more productive and quicker as you finish the job. For enhanced power, use the Milwaukee Red lithium-ion battery technology that provides a maximum of 35 minutes of runtime. The battery is sold separately. This 18-volt sander is part of the M18 system series, which has more than 175 tools and it's compatible with any of the M18 batteries. It's outfitted with a dust canister and filter. The quick change hook and loop 5-inch sanding pad and slide switch make everything convenient. It also comes with a universal hose adapter and an extrusion that come in handy when you're using a 9-amp battery. It's ETL listed, CSA listed, and 1UL listed with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you're looking for exceptional performance and functionality, then number 4 is a perfect choice. The Makita 3-amp 5-inch corded random orbital sander. It's definitely the type of orbital sander that you should have in your tool collection for small to medium carpentry projects. Every aspect showcases its high-quality components and features that ensure fast, smoother sanding. For a start, it's equipped with a 3-amp motor with variable speed that runs 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. The 2-finger trigger switch is conveniently placed and provides easy access with its lock-on mode. Another cool feature of this sander is the adjustable handle that allows you to tackle confined areas and corners. The 18-inch random orbit action brings swirl-free finish, while the pad control system offers controlled speeds. It comes with a pad brake that's designed to lessen gouging and increase performance. This 8.6 by 6 by 4.8 orbital sander has a rubberized top handle and palm grip, which greatly enhance its comfortability. It uses a quick change 8-hole hook and loop abrasive paper, which is about 5 inches. The dust collection is made easier by a built-in high-capacity vacuum port adapter. The extra-large sealed ball-bearing construction ensures longer tool life. It's 1UL listed and comes with a 1-year warranty plus a 90-day return guarantee. Just one more product on our list, which we'll reveal in just a moment. But at this point, we're hoping that you've already got your favorite among the first 4 featured items. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to watch more of our reviews on different products and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. And now let's check out our final orbital sander. At number 5 is the Gen 5X Random Orbital Sander from Ridgid. This 18-volt tool featuring air guard technology effectively collects dust up to 90%. Moreover, it's covered with the industry's only lifetime service agreement. It means the free replacement of parts and batteries for the life of the product. With this impressive 6-speed variable speed dial, this orbital sander offers 7,000 to 11,000 revolutions per minute. It also helps you finish faster while providing a smooth performance from start to finish, resulting in better productivity. To ease the usage during different applications, it comes with an adjustable pommel. The brushless motor technology with a permanent magnet ensures longer motor life and more runtime, sustaining power and full speeds under heavy loads. You can use a 4-amp lithium-ion battery to guarantee more than 40 minutes of extended runtime. The battery is sold separately. Among the other innovative components of this remarkable tool are the brake pad that eliminates work surface gouges, a dust-sealed switch that enhanced the longevity of the soft start, and an ergonomic, micro-textured hex grip handle that brings maximum comfort. It's also equipped with an automatic belt tracking that adjusts the belt into a center plate for ideal alignment, while the tool-free belt release system allows quick, hassle-free belt changes. Each package consists of one random orbital sander, one dust bag, two 80 grip hook and loop sandpapers, and one operator's manual. We hope this guide has eased the process of finding your first ever orbital sander. If you've chosen one, please click the link of the product of your choice to get it at its best price. If you'd like to see any other products reviewed, leave it in our comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications from us and for more product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us with our review of the 5 best orbital sanders. See you on our next video at the ReviewTube channel.